I'm going to show you guys how to recover some deleted items that you might have accidentally or on purposely deleted in Canvas that you want to get back for whatever reason. I ran into this issue with my studio class. I needed to recover a assignment that I had accidentally deleted, an assignment group, and so I Googled it, found the following solution, which is going to your home of that page, clicking on home, going up to your URL and typing in /undelete. When you do that and hit return, it will bring up this screen to restore deleted items, whether that is an assignment group or a singular assignment, whatever you accidentally deleted. So you can restore that and it should show up back in your Canvas, normal Canvas view, normal Canvas page. So hopefully that helps you if you fall into that trap that I did and accidentally deleted something, but it is possible to get it back. All right, thank you.